Introducing EnGenius EXT1106, the versatile cloud-managed switch extender designed for maximized network span, effortless and flexible deployment. The EXT1106 features an SFP interface, enabling it to extend data transmission beyond the 100-meter limit of Ethernet cable while maintaining high network performance and expanding coverage. Beyond just long-range extension, its compact design equipped with PD and Type-C power inputs facilitates convenient and flexible deployment, rendering it perfect for commercial and residential use. With built-in switch features such as voice VLAN, it not only ensures superior voice communications, but also enables information protection. Moreover, it incorporates IGMP snooping, port isolation, and RSTP functions to optimize network performance and boost edge security. This device is perfect for a range of applications beyond 100 meters. It's ideal for FTTX deployments, extending network reach without compromising transmission performance. It ensures consistent internet connectivity in last-mile scenarios and supports essential services like live streams and security systems at events or festivals. This device not only provides broader coverage, but also secures high-quality communications. Enhancing network capabilities. The EXT1106 expands coverage with SFP interface support, ensuring improved network reach and efficiency. Additionally, it features dual power inputs, offering versatility and flexibility for extending your network. The switch extender also comes with flexible cloud management. Utilizing EnGenius Cloud or FitSpress, you can efficiently streamline device management through a centralized platform. You can also monitor and manage the devices anytime, anywhere using either the Cloud2Go or FitSpress mobile app. The EXT1106, your solution for exceptional, effortless, and flexible network extension.